of the great things about the YMCA in Danville is they allow the military patrons to come in. They can use the facility. Everything's free to them. It's not a hassle. The delayed entry program, when I was in the delayed entry program, was basically awaiting military training. I was allowed to come here and train, basically get ready for what the military had to throw at us. So it was very motivational, beneficial, and the staff here is great. Everybody's got a smile on their face. Everybody's hello, hey, how you doing? And you don't see that a lot anymore. A lot of stuff that we do in the military is all physical training. And if we didn't have that facility, or we didn't have this facility back then, we wouldn't have been able to advance as far as we did. I got to boot camp and I was ahead of 60% of the people that were there because I was allowed to come here. We were allowed to train. Our recruiters were here. One of my Navy buddies, he was here for a little while. He enjoyed coming here. He said the same thing about the staff. He said, I've never been to a place where everybody's got a smile on their face. I said, well, that's the Danville YMCA.